Time to get up. Yep. I got a peace offering. It's your favorite.
Okay, I'll get up.
Okay.
Alright, we're up. Now ready to head to our next spot. Just wanted to say we stopped at this rest area here. I'm gonna spin ya. Put myself in the sun so I can't see. Where are we?
We're
Highway 53.
we're close to Cameron, Wisconsin.
Cameron,
Yep.
Wisconsin?
Yep.
Okay. I don't even remember seeing that one on the map. There's an east or a north and southbound one, isn't there? Because isn't there one on the other side too?
Yep.
Pretty nice rest area. It's small. It's really small.
11 spots.
11 RV/semi spots or trailer spots, but other than passers-by throughout the night, we were by ourselves. So this guy over here, I don't know when he pulled up.
He just pulled up this morning.
Where'd he? Oh, there he is, over there. Yeah, so he wasn't here all night. And there's car parking over there on that side. And there were cars and vans and stuff in and out, but I don't think anybody stayed over there either, because we went out later last night. Yeah. So anyway, this is a nice spot if you need a place to stop and crash for the night, or if you just want to get out and stretch your legs. It's clean and, you know, well kept. It's pretty small. We're gonna head on out here in a sec, and we're gonna go to our next destination. Stay tuned, because you're gonna want to see where we go. We are at Bayview Park in Ashland, Wisconsin. Taking Darby for a little walk. We're gonna go down here, check out Lake Superior. No. I don't know what that is, but you don't eat it. She's like a toddler. She loves to pick up everything and put it in her mouth. So, this is gorgeous. Of course, y'all know water's like my favorite. That's where I like to be. We've seen Lake Michigan before, way before our YouTube days. That's the only Great Lake we've seen, so this is pretty exciting for me. Let's check out that water. Yeah, it's not real clear. I've seen worse. Well, this pier would have been pretty great to magnet fish from.
Yeah, off one side, because it's not deep over there at all. I can see bottom.
But we can't do that. Why can't we do that, honey?
I didn't bring my magnets with me.
Oh, yeah. Hey, yeah. Can you see the rocks? Oh, yeah, there you go. See them pretty rocks. So there's the... Where is it at? There's the lighthouse out there. I'm going to try to get a good picture of that with my camera. This is a really nice pier. You can swim. Yeah, look, there's a diving board right there. You guys, you can swim off of this. The beach, though, or the area marked off for swimming is really small. I wonder if you can go out over there on that. You walk down there and walk out on that. Where that boat's at?
Yeah, I don't know. Probably.
There's another that stretches out. There's like a trail, like a bike walking trail. People, I've seen them walking and biking on. It's really, really, really pretty. I like the water. So if you're not following us on Instagram, follow us over there on Instagram and you'll see more pictures, because I post a lot of pictures of our trips and stuff. Things that don't make it into the videos a lot. I think I'm gonna cut this one here. They probably want to stay tuned for our next adventure though.
Absolutely.
We're not done, right?
Nope.